control wires coming in on this side. Look on the other side to see if you got anything else running in.
Switches back there.
Look on the other side of the frame to see if you see it. On that side. On this side, see if you see anything else coming in.
Oh, I see it. It's on the back.
Okay, now find them in here.
It's on the back. It runs in right here.
There you go.
Oh.
Don't be afraid to touch it. You touched it the first time. This should neutral.
Oh, okay, it goes in through here and out and around into here.
Right.
Okay, I see it now.
Mm-hmm.
In here, this way.
And where's it going?
Into a transformer.
It's not going to the transformer. It's
Into
not
over
wired
here?
to the transformer. It's wired to the board.
No, I know.
Into the board
it's
that's labeled.
right above the other one.
Right here.
That one's labeled L1, the other one's labeled XF MR. Oh, and it has a little square around it, so it kind of shows that those two connect.
Right.
L1.
Good to know.
And you notice it's not wired to the door switch.
Not directly wired to the
It's not wired to the door switch at all.
No, it's not, because the door switch is right here.
Right. It's not wired to it. No wires on the back of that. See that?
Yep, no wires.
So we had to work on this furnace and we took the door off. Normally the door, the power will go off when you take the door off.
Right, but in this case, it won't because there's no wires going to the door switch. The switch to cut it off, so you got to make sure you cut it off at the switch right there.
Right. Yeah, I mean, it's just like with a contact outside, it could be wired straight in to where you could pull the disconnect and it still run because people still air condition. If you don't know anything about electricity, you might not mess with it if you pull that break out and it's still going outside. Check the continuity on that door switch. Let's see why they unplug the door switch. Put the light up there.
Right here?
Yeah, just get it out the way.
Okay. Put it where?
Check the continuity on the door switch. Which one's continuity?
The ohms, right?
Yeah.
And then you
Now, select, touch them together. Alright. Okay. Put one on each side of that switch.
this.
No, you can't test it from here. You gotta test it inside. That's where the wires are connected. One on each leg. Push the door switch in. Is that switch good?
Yep.
Yeah.
It was open and then it closed.
Yeah.
Right. So I don't know why they wired it like that. But it can be wired that way.
Okay.
Check the continuity on that on the high limit.
Where's the high limit? Where's the high limit? It's in the back of the furnace, ain't it? Back here?
It's on the heat exchange.
No.
On the heat exchange.
So this is the heat exchanger. No.
Yeah.
Oh. Back there.
No.
No.
That's the high service igniter.
Alright, so
It's on the back wall. It's against the wall.
Those?
They're going against the wall.
yeah.
Oh, okay. Pull them off. Are we checking to see if it's, make sure it's what?
It's
It's gonna be. Continue.
continuity, right?
We want to make sure it's closed.
Okay.
It's closed.
Yeah.
If a furnace turns on for a little while and then shuts off, what's most likely wrong with it? Flame sensor?
What's a little while? Check the rollout. I mean, not the, yeah, check the pressure switch.
This?
That's not the rollout.
That's the pressure.
That's the pressure
I
switch.
said that second, but you said this. All right, check it. What's a little while?
I don't know.
Nothing.
A minute or two?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Is that good?
No,
Why not?
because it's got to be closed.
When does it
No,
close?
it's normally
No,
open.
no, it's open
It's
and you
normally
close
open
it.
and then
Right.
it closes.
So
If there's
how's it
nothing,
gonna close?
So it's good.
so it's good.
No.
How does it
you gotta
close?
test it. Pull the little tubey thing out and blow it.
Oh, this
Yes, you gotta blow the tube.
was aimed up.
You gotta suck in and make it.
I'm glad you're understanding this.
You said I got to do weight.
You gotta make it close. You heard it click?
There you go. I just heard it click.
Right. So once it clicks, then it's closed. But it's open now. It's
See?
not going. It's not
Dan,
going.
Dan, give me this. Blow it.
Oh, because it's not on right now.
You suck at blowing. There you go.
I checked the rollout switch.
I'm gonna be an adult on that and not answer that.
Thank you for your mercy.
Where's the rollout?
Roll out.
You showed me mercy.
Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Wait. Wait. Do I gotta hook this back up?
Yeah, you gotta hook them back up. You want to hook them?
Oh shit. Okay, where the other wire at?
Don't make a difference.
Those are both female. Oh, okay, there. I'm gonna use you.
Yeah, remember
Oh,
what-
shit.
Oh, shit.
Good.
Oh, man, good job. Leave it like that for now.
What is that?
Still testing.
What is that now? The rollout?
That's good.
Is that
It
the
is.
rollout?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a rollout that I just
Okay.
broke.
Yeah, you just broke it, man. Just stick that wire back in there.
So what is all this stuff we're doing?
We're testing.
Basically, we're checking to make sure all the parts are working.
There we go. Stay. Is this another sensor right here?
Yeah, that's another
Yep.
rollout.
You got to check that one too?
You can.
Oh.
Yeah.
Grab that part itself. Or just take the whole thing off.
Let's
Dan!
get over with it.
Nothing.
Wait, huh?
Oh, we do.
No.
Nope, nothing.
Kinda, sorta.
Maybe.
Stick it in that little hole.
This one?
Yeah. No, you have to touch, put one on each side of that metal.
That's what I did.
Stick it here.
Oh, that.
Yeah.
Nothing.
See if there's a little reset button in the middle. Just go push in that little red thing. Push in.
No.
Oh, okay. Man, you messed up something. Oh, hey, man, what you doing?
Like, we weren't actually supposed to find a problem.
Oh.
I do it with one hand. You can do it with two hands.
How? What did you...
All right, plug back up.
You're the big
I just touched it a little bit more. So those rollouts work together.
Okay.
See how you have to jump it from that side to this side.
So it's connected in series.
Yeah. You might twist that wire a little bit. Twist it with your finger. So you stick it up in there. Oh, you make a point, man.
Hmm?
A little copper ain't gonna hurt you.
gotta be good.
Fine, I'll be good now.
All right, plug it up.
Why is it? Wait.
It's not-
Oh, okay. Right, because this could go and connect into here,
And the door switch,
and then
out the
that
door
connects out into
switch.
the.
Right.
But they just connected.
Okay. Okay, it's plugged up.
That's good to know.
You wanna turn it on?
Huh?
You wanna turn it on?
It looks like it's already on.
It's not.
What you mean?
The
you
switch?
flip the switch.
Okay, flipped it.
You flip it.
Mm-hmm.
Thermostat all the way up. It's on this side. I just heard a click.
Oh, okay.
It's on now. Check your amp draw on this inducer motor. Check the amp draw.
Inducer motor wires. What, these yellow ones? No. Here.
Yeah.
What, just like this?
Yeah, put it on amps. Click. Select. Say amps.
Yeah. 61? 61,
61.
and then the other one. Which ones?
Just around one of them.
What?
Put it in the middle of it. What's the amp draw on here?
62, 63, 62. Wait, where?
This side,
6.2.
this one.
62.
62.
I don't know.
Hold on.
Go ahead.
Sit on the side. I see 60. Oh yeah, 62A.
Yeah, 62A.
Point 62.
162.
Point 60. What was that?
No, point 62.
It was point 62.
Same thing.
No, it's not a big difference.
No, no, no.
Big
It is the same
difference.
thing.
No, what just
So I
happened?
ignored the little period.
Why didn't come on yet?
I see a flashing light on the board.
Check the 24 volt coming from the transformer.
Say green light.
Check the 24 volt. No volts.
Afraid of that.
VAC is your volts. So what you have to do to get back to the top.
Alright, now.
Check the 24 volts coming off the transformer. Volts.
onto it?
That's amps. Do volts and everything else will be.
Okay. On the transformer?
Yeah.
24 volts?
Coming from the transformer.
Where am I checking that now? Help me.
And find somewhere to climb it. And it's working. Alright, go ahead.
Am I flipping this right? It's from there.
No, where is it? Check right there.
27 volts.
Okay. There's no way you can check it right here. You have to check it at the end of the wire. It's just not wiring there. Now we need to check the, if we wanted to check to see if we was getting 120 volts, we can check it here and where the black one is. Where's the black one coming out?
Right there.
Right. Stick one in there and one in there to check it. 120 volts. You don't have to check it. It's shot. That's not gonna work like that. Now why is it not lighting up? You're getting a high service igniter.
Where? Oh, okay, I see it.
Gas valve open. Gas valve open. Is it open? No, I said, is it open? how we check and see if we're getting 120 volts to the high circuit line.
Little cords up there,
What look cool?
the gray ones.
Yeah, we can check it though. Yeah, I mean, that's what we have to check. That's kind of hard.
Yeah.
The gas valve is clicking, so what could be the issue?
Yeah, but how it's clicking or it's
Is it going through the sequence?
I don't know what happens when the hot surface igniter doesn't light up.
After the high surface igniter lights up, what happens next?
The gas valve kicks off.
The gas valve kicks on. Did the gas valve kick on?
no.
It didn't.
It clicked. I heard it click.
I heard it click too.
So it's going on.
Gas valve click.
Then it's a flame sensor.
It never even made it to that far, I don't think.
We didn't get it that far.
I was gonna say yeah, but the flame sensor is after the gas valve though.
So if the gas valve click, are we getting 24 volts in the gas valve?
Not necessarily.
Huh?
I don't think so.
Well, the gas valve click.
Yeah, you're getting 24 volts because it's
I don't know. What we say we have to check.
I don't know. There's a lot of disconnected wires.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, there's like a lot of disconnected wires.
The red and orange is for 208 or 240.
Okay.
If you use 240, you use the red and the white. I mean 208, you use the red and the white. But if you're going 240, you use the orange and the white. But what else could be wrong?
Ain't getting gas.
It ain't getting gas.
Getting gas.
You can check the main gas valve to see if it's on.
Right needs to pay their gas bill.
Nah.
This little switch is on. It's turned up and down.
That's up and down. That's up and down.
What the heck?
But
Gotta follow.
let's check and see if we can gas.
What, this?
Check with a lighter, right?
Can. You diving.
I've seen a lot of people at Spangler use lighters to check the gas after they hook up a water heater.
Yeah, make sure no gas is
Yeah, they be all like,
yeah.
I'm just slowly. I'm like, all right, I'm like, hey, if it blows, man, I'm gone.
First time,
Slow. It only makes a little flame.
It's nice working with you. That's all I gotta say.
first time my buddy did that when I was working with him, I'm like, man, what the hell are you doing? I said, what are you doing, man?
Yeah, because
Like, it's not
actually,
gonna
you
blow.
don't want to put gas into a flame. You don't put an open flame by gas.
But if you notice, if a gas main break, it don't necessarily blow all the time. You can have flames shooting up out of it in the streets.
Yeah,
but
that's true.
It has to build up.
Oh, the pressure.
Yeah, the gas, it has to fill up. I mean, if it was gas in there, we would hear it coming out.
Yeah, you would hear it.
Yeah, you would hear it coming out.
So there's no gas.
No gas coming out.
Dang you, Vatera, you forgot to pay the gas bill.
I think so.
But I think it might be coming from next door. I don't know. This is where this gas is part of because the rest of the school is warm. You get it?
Mm-hmm.
This back here.
I thought they fixed that issue though.
Yeah, we had this issue before though. But you don't want to overthink it. You heard the gas valve click.
You
Next
heard
thing
it?
I want to do is check and see if it's gas, if the gas is on.
Yeah, because it clicks, but yeah, it won't keep further in the sequence.
Yeah, clicks and stuck in between that and the flame sensor.
Right.
Yeah, cause then it'll shut off because it's not detecting the gas. It's like a safety switch.
So we have to know, We have to know each component what they do, what can cause them to fail. We have to know that. We have to know the wire, how it's wired up.
Mm-hmm.
See, by you working with the heating food company, man, you gotta be all over it. You never know when they're gonna call you in the street.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so what's wrong with this? So what's wrong with this?
There's no gas.
Gas valve click. So you can't be guessing. The sequence of operation is everything. You got the inducer motor.
Mm-hmm.
Once the inducer motor, well, you're not gonna get the hot surface ignition if what? What second after the inducer motor?
Pressure switch.
The pressure switch has to close. The rollout and the limit has to be closed.
Mm-hmm.
If those are not closed, you're not gonna get the hot surface igniter.
Right. But it may pass the hot surface igniter.
Right, the hot surface igniter lit up. We heard the gas valve click.
Yeah, but then it didn't get past the gas valve because it didn't detect any gas.
Right. But that's why I say you have to listen. You have to listen.
Yeah, for the click.
Right.
And we can't turn on the gas right now?
No, not unless we go up on the roof.
I don't
know
think.
where it's cut off at.
I don't think they'll let us.
Yeah, but I mean, it's going through the whole sequence. It's giving you the hot surface ignition. Like you say, you can plug this into an outlet without even having gas, and you should get your. You should get all the way to the hot surface igniter, and the gas valve should click, and then it shut down.
So what if the fire goes on?
When?
After it goes through everything, and then fire goes on for a bit, and then it turns on.
What's a bit?
A few
What you
seconds
mean?
to a minute.
Doesn't
or
the
something.
flame come on after the gas valve though?
Yeah.
Is it the flame sensor then?
Oh, how long is it? How long is it on?
I don't know. I haven't seen the furnace
Who
yet.
told you that?
The friend.
A friend.
You said that the furnace turns on for a little bit, but then it turns off.
You have to ask him what he mean by a little bit.
Exactly.
Because if it comes on and shuts down within 6 seconds, 6 to 7 seconds, then the flame sensor is bad or need to be cleaned. Where's the flame sensor?
Flame sensor's on the back right there.
Right.
No,
That's the heater.
No,
That's the
high
limit
level
switch.
switch.
The flame sensor's not
Right.
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 Oh yeah, that's when it.
Right.
I pay
Nah.
attention sometimes.
Right. Now that's what I say you have to know. You know, it's very important for you to ask those questions when you talk to a customer. You know, a little bit, what's a little bit? That's why I asked you, what do you mean by a little bit?
There is the blower kicking on.
Is it even coming on?
After you try so many times, then the blower kick on. It will kick on. The blower just kick on. Most of the time it will. But if it's going for 5-10 minutes,
Mm-hmm.
or even a couple of minutes, it could be dirty filter, or it could be, you know, clogged A coil.
Where's
Because-
the A coils, right? The
Right.
A coils on the inside. Yeah.
Right, it could be dirty. If you look at that A coil over there, dirt get clogged up all on the inside of it. But if it comes on,
And that's quite a process to take out and clean, isn't it?
what?
The A coil.
Yeah, you have to open it up. You really, when you're dealing with, when you in the house, you're gonna have this connected to ductwork.
Yeah.
And sometimes you can take this off. You might be able to open it up, and they have some cleaner that you can put on it.
Other
They call
times.
cleaner.
I was gonna say other times you actually gotta take off the duct work just to.
But that's only if
Clean it,
it's
right?
actually.
Yeah, you gotta take it out.
That's
Yeah,
only
like-
if it's actually on for a little while and then it turns off. I mean, for a few minutes.
Yeah, it could be 10 minutes. Now see, this is A coil. It's on the electric furnace.
Oh shit.
I want to look at that one last Wednesday. It shouldn't look like that.
No.
Hold up, turn that A coil upside down so they can see it. Turn it on the side.
Yeah, that's
there.
a nice clean one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's a cool.
I was gonna say what you should have saw the one that he dealt with last week. Something was kicking
So if
dust.
that turns out to be an issue, we could use the duster on it, right?
No, you can't use
No.
dust on that.
like carpet.
Yeah.
Right, literally.
Because you have oils and stuff, and you know, from the 8 car sweating in the summertime, the dust get up in there and it's caked on. You need coil cleaner.
It's the same type of cleaner that's used for the outdoor
Condensed.
units, right?
Some of them they do both.
Okay.
They call a condensing evaporator cleaner, and they do have some that you spray on and you don't need, you don't need no water. But it'll be kind of hard, like I said, in the house. You just never know how.
What they're dealing with.
Right, what you.
For power to some of the things themselves, like
Ouch.
How long's been at your job?
when it's on voltage,
16 years.
Right.
Yeah, I'm trying to
it's
do
on we check the voltage. When do
What
we
kind of
check
work
the
you do?
amps as opposed to the voltage?
We
green
check
line,
amps.
electric,
Yes.
plumbing.
You check the amps on your blower motor and you check the amps on
I
your
gotta
induction
replace the
motor.
fuse box.
Annuity.
Well, you check voltage for motors also. Check, make sure the voltage is going to the motor.
Okay. But then for like the hot surface igniter, the
You
flame
check the-
sensor,
you
and
check the
everything
ohms.
here.
You check ohms on the high service igniter. You don't check amps because it's not a motor. You have to check ohms, and you do that with the unit off. And the high service igniter cool down. You check the ohms on it.
Okay. I think I got most of that.
Yeah. But if the furnace running for 3-4 minutes, then you could yeah. But the first thing we check is the filter. Make sure it's not dirty. If the filter's dirty, we
I think I
check that
told
out.
him to change the filter just in case. I'm pretty sure that's what he did, and he said it still wasn't working.
Oh, okay, how was his filter? Did you ask him how his filter was looking?
No.
Yeah.
I rarely can talk to him because he rarely ever
Oh,
message thing.
What's that?
Huh?
You talk to him on Messenger?
On Messenger, yeah.
No, you can't talk on Messenger. You have to talk on the phone.
Yeah, on the phone, like actually talking to him.
Yeah, let Messenger stuff. Tell him to say
I've
that.
barely talked to this
So-
guy to begin with.
Where is he? Is he in the metro area?
St. Louis,
But tell him
somewhere.
we can't talk on Messenger. We're trying to troubleshoot something. We need to talk
On the
I
phone,
need to
where
talk
he-
to you. Say the social media for when we've been social. You can't help him on Messenger, can you?
Nah. Unless he calls you on Messenger.
Now, if it's kicking on and then the blower don't kick on.
No, what is it?
This right here.
That's the capacitor.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But you check and see if you get power to the blower motor. You have a blower relay also that clicks. That
Where's
comes
the
on.
relay?
The relay is right here. It
Where?
might not be one of these
Go
little
to it.
boxes. There's nothing you can do with the relay.
Okay. So check
If
the
the relay's
capacitor.
bad, if you don't hear it click for the blower motor, after it gets past the, after you get ignition, and if the flame sensor is not the problem, but like I said, if the blower motor doesn't come on, you check the capacitor, check the blower motor, but you also have to listen for a click for that relay, for the, which is sending the signal for the blower to come on. And find the one that's for heat, for the blower motor. It looks like this one is blue. Blue is used for heat. So you go across the blue, and you will go across the white from the blower motor, and make sure that it's getting power to them.
Okay.
If it's getting power, you check the capacitor. Make sure the capacitor's good. You can't, you won't know about me just telling you not paying attention.
No, I'm looking.
I mean, you're
Hurry
not
up.
looking.
Tell me.
You go across these two right here, one here and one here.
Okay.
You put them in between them and make sure they touch
Okay.
to discharge the capacitor before you pull the wires off.
Okay.
You gotta at least pull one wire off so you can test it.
Capacitor, battery, dangerous, no touchy.
Right.
All right, I'm good.
You good? You sure? Take Daniel with you.
So we was learning how to troubleshoot the furnace.
Yeah, to figure out what was wrong with it.
Oh,
And
okay.
check all the parts.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like going through like the step by step.
Oh, okay.
Like if okay, like if the inducer motor goes on, but it shuts off on the next step, then it's your like pressure switch.
Yep.
Okay.
All right, well let's roll.
Thank God. 30 minutes.